Bro, what the hell are you doing? Okay. Let's do this. Oh, the casino. What? There it is. The casino. We'll find the penguins. What? This is perfect. Just we'll find the penguins. What? Shh, come on, guys. Operation Stealth Mine is a good liberty. We can't draw attention to ourselves. We're invisible. Okay, shh, we're gonna be really quiet. Everybody shake your yacht. Uh-huh. Yeah. Everybody shake your yacht. Okay, phase one. You're gonna grab the penguins and get them to go to the monkey-powered slipper plane. Yeah. Phase two. We get angry at the penguins for abandoning us in Africa. Phase three. We apologize for getting mad at them for abandoning us in Africa. But then we got our point across. Phase four. Back to New York City. Whoa, yeah, I like it. Alright. Alright, this is gonna be one. So this one just will listen to the casino. We just gotta see which one we're gonna take. It seems pretty clear to me which one we should take. Shut up! Can't meet the rate. I got a musty woody manado. I'm not. With that thumb, but did he jump up into the jump? Catch me, mama! Oh. Oh. Huh? Uh-oh. Oh no. Guys, run! The big bad girl's coming! Run! Woo! Hi, honey. Okay. Can't get out. Hey, honey. I got you. Okay, let's do this. What the hell? Just don't look, bro. Don't look. Alright. They're not gonna let any animals on the casino fall, so look for some kind of disguise. Wow! Look at that person! That is one ugly. It makes me want to froze up. That's not lady. That's the kangaroo side. That's not the kangaroo side. Those are the monkeys. And the monkeys like smoke. With the smoke, there's fire. By fire, I meant the penguins. I say we let them ride. Oh, my kids! We hit the hippies and fly back to New York in style. Can we buy a cool plane, bro? Solid gold, baby. Sir, a solid gold plane will be able to fly. Gold school will be rich. No one cares with that dumb let it ride. Ratio. Oh, what the hell? Okay, we have 17 minutes and 17 seconds. The lemurs will cut the power. Yes? No. Do it? No. Now? No. I jump down and grab the penguins. You crank me up and we out of here. Let me jump down. I'll grab the penguins. They have fingers, Marty. Now? No. Do it? No. This is what to think of. Why should you be the little one on me? So I'm the face tracker. The singing is licking it lamb. I can face down. You're part of the face. Face is somebody on, somebody in. That's it. Who the fuck made you the leader? I'm the leader. I made it. No, that's it, baby. Now, no. Leave resign. Wins the money. I should be in charge. Remember, man, I am a doctor. Now, no. Where can we all be here? I'm gonna leave. Wait, no, what's up? Oh! We'll see what's on the skirt, eh? Hey, bro, I'm naked here. Whoa! Oh, buddy, what phase we at? Phase 3, apologize? Oh, yeah. Oh, man, we're so sorry. Oh, apology accepted. Let's roll. Monty, we skipped phase 2. We didn't get angry at him. I mean, I'm just following the leader. Yeah, now. I'm up for vision right now. Pull the fucking switch. Okay, fine. Yeah. What the hell? What? Yeah. What the fuck is going on with the lights? Yo, tell me what you want. I just want you what A. I literally want A. I just want. What the hell are you doing? Come on, you idiots. What? Run! Come on! Innocent lockdown! Get me to go on. English, motherfucker. Do you speak it? No. Come on, guys, this way. Oh no, lockdown, eh? What am I gonna do? Or everybody stand back. I got this. What are you gonna do? Oh, what the hell? Never mind. Well, I only thought you were gonna bust through that thing for a second. Oh my god! What the hell? What's this? What happened? I'm getting kidnapped? We got this super cool car from Phasm. The car goes vroom. Step on it, boys. No, not the sick car. Fast and Furious, baby.